affliction. I am my own disease.
Hey everybody, it's Andrew from Maverick the Jeep. Here on Instagram, the Maverick Jeep, TikTok, the Maverick Jeep, YouTube, the Maverick Jeep, also on Facebook. If you see this video on one of those platforms, give us a like, give us a follow. I wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing. We got an upgrade today, so I wanted to go ahead and do that. Shout out to Jeeps and Ink for the sweet t-shirt that they sent me, and also for Ragnar Jeep and Sergeant Rubicon Riggs Jeep that got me hooked into a contest, Ragnar's contest, and then Sergeant Rubicon Riggs encouraged me to go and make a video and stuff, and you can see that on my social medias. It was a really fun contest. It was back in July and stuff. So, anyway, I just wanted to go ahead and say this video is going to be brought to you by Handle Matters. So, these guys, I met them in August at Jeep Invasion. They came out. They were awesome. I looked at their product, and I was like, oh, that's kind of cool. That's kind of neat. I like the metal handle. I like the way that it's a paddle. I like the way that it opens because it's different from the push button. So it's an actual, like, you grab it and pull it, and it feels more solid to me. I don't know. I had a 95. Maybe it's because I had a square headlights, and that's how the handles were on the doors on those. I just like them. So anyway, without further ado, let's look at what we have. So I have been running for the past month and a half-ish, I've been running the beaver tail paddles, which are their large square ones, which I love. These things are amazing. They've got different designs on them. You can do different things with them. I've seen them on a bunch of other Jeeps and stuff that he sent me pictures of and stuff, and they're cool. They are legit. They can be customized. You can put your name on them. You can put a design on them. He's got designs already cut out for you. And, I mean, you could switch these panels out. So if you want to switch something up, you can. But what I am most excited about right now. All right. What I'm most excited about. Let's do this. All right. Here we go. Let's see if I can open it. Is this right here. His new Slimline that he just sent me. New Slimline. Look at that. We have Mission 22 on here, which looks fantastic. The cut is amazing on these. I'm just so excited to try and use these and stuff. The install on the big paddles was super simple, like really simple. I was really worried whenever I started doing it, and then I did a couple of research videos on how to get a door panel off, and then I've got manual cranks on mine, so I had to learn how to do that. And after that, it was a breeze. So, but I'll show you a video with those on the install, and then I'll also show you a video with these because we will be installing these. So I'm really excited about these. I think these will look super nice on the Jeep and stuff. They're a little bit more weighty and beefy than your stock handles, and the button push pull. I've seen people that have customized them with colors and stuff, and they look good. I like how they look, and I like how they match the colors of the Jeeps and stuff. But with something like this, not only can you match a color, you can also do your trim color. If you've got a vehicle that's got trim color, like the black vehicles that I see, and the white that trim it with pink and blue and teal and purple and red and all that kind of stuff. You could do your trim colors on here with the back plate and stuff. So I went with white, a white base, and then of course I'm rocking Mission 22 because, as we all know, that is one of the things that is near and dear to my heart. And since I can't slap a huge decal on the side of my Jeep because of the way that it's painted and stuff, I've got decals on my back windows, but I wanted to mark my Jeep just a little bit more with some Mission 22 stuff, and so this is the route that I set it to go. So I submitted this design from Mission 22. This is their logo, and I had him cut that out and stuff. So we will be running these to support Mission 22, but not only to bring awareness to Mission 22, but also to bring awareness to the soldiers, to the military veterans suicide issue that we have within the veteran community. So that is the regular handles that I've got right there. I also have one other handle that I wanted to show you, and that's interesting. I wanted to show you this. So this is the back door handle as well. So he can cut it sideways, or then he can cut you one up and down for the back door handle. Now, the back door handle was the most difficult to install, and I'll show you that in the video and stuff. We got a couple of different cuts and stuff on these. So there's Mission 22. We got an extra plate. But yeah, these things are absolutely incredible. I can't say enough about him. He literally came up and talked to us, and I told him what I tell every single vendor that ever comes and talks to me and stuff and wants me to put product on a Jeep. You have to understand, because I won Maverick, I don't have $100,000 money. The vehicle's worth way more than what I've got. So I will always work with a vendor in any way, shape, form possible. I will come out to a show if I can to set up with you to sell your product. That's what I do, and I don't leave. Like, I don't just drop my vehicle off and leave. Like, we there to work. So that's kind of how my relationships work with people. So I can't say enough. I just want to thank Handle Matters once again, and thanks goes out to Kyle Wilcox and stuff. He took a chance on me and stuff, and one of the first people to do that, and I can't say enough. So we'll look back on this video in a few years, I'm sure, and he'll be one of the people that first believed in me and believed in my journey and tried to help me out with what I'm doing and stuff, which is always to bring awareness to veteran resources and veteran suicide. So, and the crazier the Jeep looks, the more stuff that's on it, the more different products that are on it that are tried, tested, and true, then, I mean, the more people that come and try to look at the Jeep and stuff. And that's really what it's all about. You know, I'm a very small person. It's all about what Maverick brings to the table. Maverick, you know, he's playing in the American flag, and so he brings a lot to the table, and a lot of people love that, and I love that. So, you know, it's always about giving back and serving others first and foremost. So, but yeah, so that's the unboxing video. It's going to be about 7 minutes long here, so sorry. But we will do an install video a little bit later on, but I wanted to go ahead and get this out of the way so that we can start working on the install. So see you guys soon. Install video to drop probably within a week or two, depending on how my schedule opens up. So I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much. If you stuck around through the whole video, just to let you know, there's a giveaway coming up. So if you stuck around through the entire thing, make sure you follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Follow me on everything, because that's what it's going to take to possibly win a giveaway. So anyway, we're gonna be good for today, and you guys have a blessed one. Okay, remember, serve others.